someone your own size, Rhino.
There is no one my size, Hulk.
Or maybe we could just talk it out. Rhino, what's with the team up? Thought you were a loner.
Means and ends, Hulk. All of likely means and ends.
So what's the end for these particular means?
Freedom! True freedom! No more you! No more Rhino!
I always liked this suit. So distinctive.
Be thankful, Paul. Without you, I make less trouble for you.
Okay, Rhino. Let's wrap this up.
Never send an 8-ton infant to do a man's job. Let's finish this.
Oh, Scorps, love you, but you do know it's rude to cut in, right?
What were you gonna do if I didn't show up? Beg him to give up?
Yes, Gargan, that is exactly what I would have done.
Ah, like an old married couple, you two. So you guys in Octavius, huh? You have a name yet? The Scary Six? The Dirty Half Dozen?
How about the we murdered Spider-Man and used his corpse for a blanket stick?
Gargan, please, you embarrass yourself.
Get him, you idiot!
Get him! Pop down and help, Rock!
Guys, please! There's plenty of me to go around.
What are you doing?
Laying patty cake, you idiot! Help me!
Rhino's getting his suit removed. What did Octavius promise you, Scorpion?
Mother, Gargan has no principle. He fights for profit.
Untrue! I'd rip Spider-Man's face off for free! The money.
Gargan,
Stupid oaf!
you are in my range. If we fail because of you, Gargan, you will know the pain this suit can cause.
Try it, Red Menace. Hell, maybe I'll just pull you out of the suit myself.
It's starting to feel like I don't even need to be here. You guys want to sort this out yourselves?
Pathetic Gargan! I will squash Bog myself!
We could just stop now, you know. I won't tell anybody.
And leave your skull uncrushed? There is fun in that! Come here, Ouch! I will teach you to throw real punch!
My jaw's already absorbed that particular lesson. Thanks. Rhino's stunned. Didn't I hear you took a poetry class on the raft? Like a therapy thing? Delightful.
Do you know what Octavius will do if he finds out you failed?
I failed?
Yes, you freak show!
A little forged together time might help you boys learn to play nice.